All right, everyone, welcome back to Crypto Brain. Today, we are analysing Toshi, with particular focus on the developing partnership alignment with Shiba Inu and what this could mean from a listing, liquidity, and forward price expansion perspective. As always, this will be a structured, disciplined breakdown, not hype, but probability-based analysis. Beginning with the core overview, Toshi maintains its meme sector positioning, yet the narrative direction appears to be evolving. When a meme origin asset begins aligning itself with an established ecosystem such as Shiba Inu, the strategic implications are material. Shiba Inu is not simply another token. It represents one of the most recognized and liquid meme ecosystems in the market. A partnership at this level immediately alters perception. Perception in crypto markets directly influences capital flow. If the alignment reflects genuine ecosystem collaboration, whether through liquidity bridges, ecosystem cross-integration, or shared exposure, then this introduces credibility expansion. Credibility attracts broader participation. Broader participation increases liquidity depth. As we move through the visible market metrics, trading activity and volatility remain evident. Toshi continues to exhibit high beta behavior, sharp expansions followed by consolidation phases. However, consolidation above prior support levels is technically constructive. It indicates absorption rather than distribution. Now focusing on the partnership thesis. When a smaller or emerging meme asset integrates with a dominant meme ecosystem, several structural effects can occur. First, audience overlap expansion. Shiba Inu's community reach is substantial. Even partial cross-exposure significantly increases visibility. Second, liquidity spillover. Traders active in the SHIB ecosystem often rotate capital within the same thematic category. If Toshi becomes associated within that narrative, it may benefit from rotational inflows. Third, exchange attention. Ecosystem alignment frequently increases the probability of additional exchange listings or deeper trading pair integrations. From a listing perspective, ecosystem partnerships often precede expanded exchange accessibility. Exchanges favor assets with visible community strength and recognized associations. Therefore, partnership alignment may indirectly strengthen listing prospects across additional platforms. Now addressing the bullish pump thesis. Price acceleration in meme sector assets historically occurs when narrative strength, liquidity depth, and macro sentiment align simultaneously. If Toshi secures meaningful ecosystem integration with Shiba Inu, while broader crypto conditions remain constructive, upside asymmetry increases significantly. However, the magnitude of expansion depends on execution depth. If the partnership remains symbolic or limited to marketing association, impact may be short-lived. If integration includes functional collaboration, such as shared utilities, liquidity channels, or ecosystem bridges, then valuation repricing becomes more sustainable. Looking at current structural behavior, volatility remains elevated yet controlled. Higher consolidation floors suggest that capital is not exiting aggressively. This is important. Sustainable bullish continuation requires progressive higher lows, not isolated spikes. From a probability standpoint, the bullish case strengthens under three conditions: continued community engagement and social amplification, increasing trading volume consistency across sessions, visible development of integration beyond announcement phase. When these align, reflexive cycles often emerge. Rising price attracts attention. Attention attracts capital. Capital drives further price appreciation. The association with Shiba Inu also carries psychological weight. Market participants often perceive ecosystem proximity as validation. That validation reduces perceived risk and increases speculative appetite. However, risk calibration remains essential. Toshi remains a high volatility asset. Partnership alignment improves narrative strength but does not eliminate drawdown risk. Structured positioning remains critical. From a macro perspective, meme sector rotations typically outperform during expansionary crypto phases. If broader market liquidity strengthens, capital tends to rotate first into high-visibility meme assets with active narratives. With Shiba Inu ecosystem alignment, Toshi positions itself within that rotation pathway. To summarize the structured view, Toshi's partnership alignment with Shiba Inu enhances credibility and narrative reach. Potential listing prospects may strengthen through ecosystem association. Liquidity spillover from established meme capital pools could support expansion. Bullish continuation depends on execution depth and sustained inflow. The opportunity here lies in transitional positioning. When a developing asset begins integrating into a larger recognized ecosystem. If integration deepens and liquidity remains constructive, substantial upside phases become increasingly plausible. This has been a disciplined, probability-based analysis. If you value composed, professional crypto insight delivered without exaggeration, ensure you are subscribed to Crypto Brain. Until next time, remain analytical, remain disciplined, and let structure guide conviction.